Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The kids out here is playing football, so the football just hit the car. But anyways, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got some bulb actually for my lights inside of the car, and let me show you how they look when they turn on. I hate this, how they look. They give this do I have to open up my door or something? Oh, I forgot I had broke. Okay, they look basically like this. That's how they look. I forgot I had broke this. I had tried to tape it up, but I'm gonna get it back together. Ain't no big deal. But they look brown. See how they look? Like that color that I hate. I wanted it to be like white, like a whitish color, like a bright white. That's what I'm talking about. So I went on eBay. You already know your boy. It's starting to get hot in here too. But anyways, I had bought a lot of them. They was cheap. They was like $5 or so. And these are LEDs. I think these should work the same way as the original one. So here they are in here. And it's a lot of them because I could also use them for the door. When you open the door, the lights come on as well. So the door front, two front and the two back as well. I think the back have them as well. And also the tag light as well. The tag light as well. So the tag bulb, my tag bulb is out, so I'm going to change it as well. So as you guys know that I have a 2008 Toyota Avalon, and it sure works for basically from 2005 all the way to the 2012. And you guys know 2012 is my favorite one. So I'm going to turn these off and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to try to flip my camera. I had already popped it out. As you can see right here. I just basically pulled from the side. Be careful you don't break it. So it's not broken, you know. I have pulled it, as you can see, have there right here that it clipped in. Okay, it got clipped in right there and clicking right there. So the bulb is up there, as you can see. And I'm gonna, oh, I think you gotta like pull it. You gotta like pull it out. It's gonna be hard for me to like show the camera and do it at the same time. But you basically like pull it. Be careful you don't break it. Man, almost snapped that one. So basically I pulled it out. Man, my battery is kind of low, so I can't even turn on the flash. I pulled it and it looked like that. Pull it out of the middle one. As you can see, no bulb is there. Just like that. Got another bulb here. And I have another bulb over there as well right here. So I'm gonna put in the LED. And all you gotta do is just match it up and just push it in. Just push it in and it should stay in place. Alright, so I got it in. I'm sorry that I didn't get to film it, but you got to take your time. As you can see, I know it looks a little blurry. Hold on. So remember, I also broke that one in the middle as well too. Hold on. Alright, disregard the one at the end. Is the one in the middle. That's the brightest one. It's LED. So that's the new one that I installed. Alright, so turn that off. That's the new one that I installed. All you have to do is basically pull it out and just push it back into place properly. And you could test it by just turning on the light to make sure it works. But it works really pretty good. But stay tuned when I finish install the both of them. It takes the time and it's kind of hard to hold the camera and actually do it and show you. But it's pretty easy. You just pull it out and just push it back into place, the right place, and it'll turn. Once you turn it on to check it, it will lit up. All right guys, there you have it. I'm gonna put this back up on there. Put this back up on there. See, it looks brighter and it's not dull no more. Way brighter. And just like that. So basically I got I pulled it from the side. That's how I got it out. If you can't get it, just use like a flathead between there and just pry it out, but be careful you don't break it. You don't want to break it, so be careful with that. But yeah, not too shabby, not too bad. You know, it's not dull. It's not dull like this light right here. This is dull. I'm gonna change those as well too, maybe another day. But yeah, I like it now. It's more brighter, look more modern, look more new, you know. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Way brighter. So I'm gonna do the back as well, because look at the back. See how the back look more dull, and up here look more clean, look more bright, LED. Yes, this is how I want my lights to look. So yeah. So I got it back up there. Should have turned on my flash. Hold on. There we go. So you just put these two right there, line it up, right there, line it up, and just take your time and just close it in. You know, don't break it now. Just make sure it's lined up. It's just kind of hard for me to actually do it one hand, but you guys get the drift, just like so. And just take your time and just, you know, close it in. Just like so. Don't break it. Just like that. As you can see. Perfect. Perfect. As I said, this one broke. This one broke. This right here broke. The switch broke, so that's why I'm having a hard time with it to turn on all three together. But yeah, that's how you do it. And I'm gonna show you the ones in the back is dull. Show you how it looks. I think you gotta turn that on, right? Yeah, turn that on. Look at the one in the back. It's dull. Feel me? That's the one in the back. That's how it looks. Look at the one in the front. Fresh, pure white. Feel me? Clean. So I'm gonna go to the back and change the one in the back as well. All right, so I got it out. It was like this, as you can see, the way how it's shaped. It was like so. I basically used my fingers to get it out, guys. I didn't even use no flathead or nothing to pry it out. So got that part out. And as I said, for the lights, for the bulb itself, let me take them off because they do get really hot. I just pull them out. And if your hands keep slipping, use like a paper towel or something and pull, you know, just pull straight out. Don't break it now. Just take your time and just pull it straight out. As you can see, just pull them straight out, and do the same when you're putting it back in. Put it on, make sure you turn on the light and take your time, push it in. It will turn on. That's how you know you have it the right way. So yeah. All right, let me show you guys how it look. This is the hardest one. The one in the back is the hardest one, I'm not gonna lie. So as I said, just line it up. You could turn it on to make sure, you know, when it touch, it works. You guys not gonna be able to see properly, but oh my goodness. This is hard to do. One hard thing to do, to hold the camera and try to show it. So we just line it up like this, someone like that, and then push it in. Okay, this is the right side. As you can see, when it touch, it light up, it lit up. I know you saw that flash, right? So yeah, so that's how you know it's on the right side. The two side is different. So man, it's hard to hold the camera and show you guys, but the one in the back is harder than the one in the front. Trust me, I was fighting to get the one out, the old one out. So I'm gonna do it off camera, Got to. I can't do it with one hand. All right, guys, there you have it. I got it in. That's one side. The other side is still dull. Look at the difference. One side is mad bright, and the other one is brown, like a dull, old school bulb color. All right, I got it out of there. Turn back on the light, the flash. So how I got it, because it's you basically got to pull it down a little bit, get a good grip, and pull it out. So you got to like literally like bend it down. It's gonna be straight up in there like so, like sideways. Like you see it? It's gonna be in there like sideways. So what you got to do, you got to bend it down and try to pull it out. Don't break it, but bend it down. Bend down like so and pull. And make sure you have some kind of cloth, some kind of napkin or something to get a better grip and pull it out. All right, I got it in. Easy to get it in off camera. Take your time. So I got it in, got the both of them in. As you can see, both are in. Take off that, take off that. Now to install this is pretty easy. You guys can see, just like so. And just be careful you don't break. Okay, let me see if I could. There we go. There we go. Just like so. And it's in. Perfect. Brighter, more wider. You feel me? Woo. No more dull looking lights. So that's that. And I also want to change my the tag light as well, because my tag light is out. Oh my goodness. This one back here was a piece of work, but once you, as I said, you got to pull it down and have the napkin and grip it properly and pull it out. Do the same thing on the other side. I was fighting with the other side until I learned you got to pull it, like, don't break it, just pull it down gently, bring it down and then pull, and you'll get it out. And yeah, now everything is on now. The one in the front and these one in the back. Pretty cool. Looks more brighter, way more brighter. It's not that dull old school look no more. So yeah, I love it. Nice. And there's a lot of them that I got from eBay. So there's a whole, I don't know how much of them, but I have a lot of them, like enough to actually go for this door, that door, the front door, the two front doors as well, and the one that goes in the tag. So yeah, guys, and I'm gonna just conclude this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Looks more brighter, looks more modern, looks way more better, you know. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. And that's how you basically install the bulb inside of the car. This is a 2008 Toyota Avalon, and it's the same as 08 to 2012, the same way. And tomorrow I'm going to change the tag light bulb. I could do it tonight too. I just didn't want to. Let me see how it looks. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I had to do a voiceover. This guy next door was playing some music. But this is how you take out the bulb from the tag right here. That latch right there, you squeeze that latch and basically pull. It was kind of hard to do doing it with one hand, but you just squeeze it to the left and then pull down, as you can see in the video. I'm sorry I've been moving around a lot. But then you twist. You just twist it out, and that black piece will come out of there. And then you just pull it out of there. As you can see, that bulb is burnt out. Look at the bulb. Burnt out, black. And it was hard to get out, so I had to get a paper towel again and put the paper towel over it and then pull it out, and I got it out. You got to use your two hands. I just couldn't do it with one. So got it out. See how it looks. It's burnt out. It's done for. So that's how you place in the new one. What I did, I start the car up, turn on my lights, of course, and then I put in the new one to make sure it works. And it lit up. You know, you got to make sure it works before you install it and put everything back, and then, you know, make sure everything works before you put it back together. So you just twist it back in, and that's the outcome. That's how it looks. You know, there's only one side. The other side had the camera, but my backup camera is not working. There you have it. Man, it looks way better. Woo, way better. Way better. And the tag light too. So there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you got the same car, or even if you got a different car. It's basically close to the same procedure. You feel me? You just gotta look up your, of course, when it's YouTube, you gotta type in the make, the model, and the year of your vehicle, and get these bulb, you know, LED bulb. And it's gonna look real nice. My flash is not even on. Like, literally, it is way brighter. It's not that dull, old school looking look. You feel me? Old looking look. So awesome. I love it. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. Please, you feel me? Leave a comment, tell me what you think. I got a lot more left, a lot more. So if I decide to change the one in the doors, like the one that's on the door, if I decide to change those, these will definitely fit, and it'll look more modern than the old school, old dull look. But yeah guys, thanks for watching once again. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. They look way better, or they look the same to you. You feel me? It's more brighter. Way more brighter. I love it. Peace.